Okay, so again, the worksheet, literal equations and don't ask why. On the side, not with literal equations, but don't ask why, we're going to look at problem number 8. So problem number 8 is a little bit backwards. You have 21 equals 2x minus 7y, so we're going to write it in our spirals if you haven't written it down yet. So 21 equals 2x minus 7y. So again, for this problem, or all the problems on this side, you are solving for y. So I'm going to draw my arrow pointing to my y. And I'm going to write out my order of operations, my PEMDAS. And we're looking to go and undo this process, work it backwards. So I'm also going to draw a line through my equal sign. That way I can try to keep things balanced. I don't care about the left side. I'm just looking at the right side where my y is at. Y is going to stay. All the other stuff moves. So the first thing I'm going to look for is to see, is there any addition or subtraction sign over here with my y? In this case, you should notice that there is a subtraction sign sitting in the middle. The 7 is not what is attached through subtraction. Your 7 is attached through your y through multiplying, and we're not there yet. We first have to take care of that addition or subtraction. The item that's attached, if you move out from your y, if you branch out, past that subtraction sign is the 2x. So we're going to start by moving your 2x away. The catch for this one is, even though it's subtracting behind it, this is a positive 2x. So in order to move it, what do we have to do? Subtract. You have to use the opposite sign in order to move it. So we're going to actually subtract 2x from both sides. When you do that, you end up with, on the left side, you actually can't combine those. The 21 doesn't have an x, but the 2 does. So it's just going to get copied down. 21 was on top, so I write it first. And underneath I had minus 2x, so I just write that behind. I bring down my equal sign. My 2x is now gone. And I bring down that negative 7y. I haven't gotten rid of that, what we said was a subtraction sign. When I bring it down, because there's nothing in front of it now, I look at it as a negative symbol, no longer a subtraction sign. Kind of switches gears. Once we take care of the addition or subtraction, then we move on to the multiplication. We said 7 was being multiplied with y. Since they're multiplying by a negative 7, we would move it by dividing by a negative 7. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 7. Everything on that left side gets divided. And then I just do it one at a time. So if I have 21 divided by negative 7, that's going to give me negative 3. Then I have negative 2 divided by negative 7. What's a negative divided by a negative? It becomes positive. Can I actually divide 2 divided by 7? No. If I typed it into my calculator, which I don't have at the moment, if I typed it into my calculator, I'd get this decimal. I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to keep it as the fraction, 2 over 7, and my x will tag along. So then I'm going to bring down my equal sign, and the only thing left on the right side now is y. And that would be the end of our problem.